Why did you start making YouTube content? Was it just because you got so many messages, or did you want to do more? Did you always love YouTube?
I discovered the Kamui Cosplay YouTube channel some years ago, and I think that she makes beautiful things. Share your passion with the people, and not also your passion, but your knowledge. So I think that share my knowledge. Maybe it's a little knowledge, maybe it's a big knowledge. It's not important because it's beautiful to share with other people. And yes, it's like I have too many messages. Is the reason is also this, but I think that it's beautiful to share people with other people your knowledge.
Is creating YouTube videos easy for you, or is it still hard work after all of this time?
It's a lot of hard work because especially at the beginning because I never learning before how to record a video with a professional camera or um, video making is not simple, and also video editing is not simple. But now that I made it for 2 years more or less, it's a little less hard work. That now I appreciate it a lot. I appreciate to make these things because I always learn something new when I edit a video from the programs. It's pretty interesting for me.
I started making YouTube videos early this year, and it's very hard.
Yes, it's very hard,
It is
especially for the YouTube algorithm.
so
It's
hard.
really difficult.
How do you deal with it? Because it's easier just a little bit now for me, but it's still sometimes I don't know what the algorithm likes. And I put out a video and it doesn't do as well as I thought it would. Do
It's
you,
pretty weird.
yeah?
It's pretty weird also for me. I made some other class also about with for YouTube, not only for Instagram, because I want to learn something. I want to know how I can make some YouTube videos with some views, with a lot of views. I want to make views, but I don't learn so much things because I think that it's pretty much a work that is during the time. You need to you need so many years, I think, to have the results that you want. It's not immediately like maybe Instagram that you make a post and have thousands of likes in just 1 hour. That it's probably can happen. In YouTube, it's different.
I wish I knew what the secret was because you can follow all of this advice on how to do well on YouTube, but it still doesn't work. Or if it does work, it may change a month later and then you have to do something completely different.
Yes, yes, it's bad things, really bad.